Hi everyone, check out our sleek new device. It's super compact and easy to use. The transparent window lets you see inside. It's perfect for everyday use. Thanks for watching.
If you've been seeing the ZenPuff luxury aluminum and glass water bottle pop up online and wondering whether it's a smart upgrade or just clever marketing, you're not alone. This premium, portable bottle positions itself as a discreet, lightweight, and multifunctional option designed for elevated sessions. And after examining what's available and testing its real-world usability, the experience lands somewhere in the middle rather than clearly impressive or disappointing. The aluminum exterior gives it a sleek, modern feel while keeping weight low for everyday carry, and the glass interior helps preserve taste and cleanliness, which many users prefer over plastic alternatives. In daily use, it feels balanced in the hand and easy to transport in a bag or car holder, though its luxury branding raises expectations that may or may not match individual preferences. One noticeable drawback is the lack of clear product images and transparent promotional details, making it harder to verify design variations before purchase. Similarly, discounts and promotional offers appear inconsistent, so pricing can feel less predictable compared to competing bottles in the same category. Feature claims suggest versatility and durability, and while the materials support those promises, there is limited verifiable information to fully confirm long-term performance. Customer feedback is also sparse and mixed, leaving potential buyers without strong consensus guidance. Overall, ZenPuff's bottle delivers a clean aesthetic and practical portability, but the limited transparency around visuals, claims, and user experiences means it may feel like a calculated purchase rather than an obvious must-buy.